We should all
Not
be
supposed to be in
for
a
a
carpool lane
safe,
if you're a single
secure,
person.
and easy process.
keep
There's no
breaking the rules?
reason in 2020 that we're acting like it's 1820. Why are we waiting?
It's
no way for anything.
ridiculous. But again, a lot of this has to do with Democrats wanting to receive mail-in ballots 2 weeks after the election.
Yes.
In other states, there are
It's
Republicans have voted for measures that delay the vote count as well. It is something that we really should focus on correcting, because this is not a spending issue. It's not a crime. This is something everybody should be able to agree on. Let's get these freaking results the night of the election.
Right.
That should be easy.
But just know, you cannot go on to a rant about this without pointing out, you do not want that dictated by the federal government.
No, absolutely
you
not.
You do not want that dictated. And that's what the Democrats are trying to do.
American Financing, NMLS 182334, www.nmlsconsumeraccess.org.
Navigating your finances can be tricky work, especially the more assets you have. If you've got a home, for example, knowing whether or not to refinance the mortgage and when is the kind of thing that can seem so complicated, you might avoid doing it altogether. But don't. Now is not the time for hesitation. What you need to do is get somebody who can help you, somebody on your side, not the bank side, but on your side. That's American Financing. For over 20 years, they've been helping people just like you make the kind of financial decisions that can save you tons of money. The average person that calls American Financing is now saving $695 a month. That would help put gas in the tank and food on the table, would it not? Make the call to American Financing today. Along with them could literally change everything for you, and you could skip up to 2 mortgage payments and close in as little as 10 days. So call American Financing at 800-906-2440, 800-906-2440, or AmericanFinancing.net. 10 seconds, station ID. Welcome to the Glenn Beck program. So what did we learn last night?
I think one lesson we're going to be talking about for a couple of years now is Ron DeSantis. And I think what you will see is, as people make decisions as to who they want to back in 2024, there's going to, DeSantis is going to have some strong talking points if he decides to run. I think a lot of Republican money and power players are going to see what he did in Florida,
as people
and be impressed by it.
At the acceptance speech last night, people were shouting 2 more years, 2 more years.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Wow. The exit polls show that, 47% of the people polled want him to run.
Yeah, the people in Florida.
Yeah, people in Florida want him to run for president.
Yeah.
I think you also learn that you got to find the right candidates for the right states.
For sure.
I think you look at something like Mastriano in Pennsylvania, who just really never even got close in that race for governor, and it was a relatively winnable race. Probably not the right candidate for that state. Again, you got to vote for who you believe is the best person. But when you want to, if you're looking just purely for victories, sometimes the right candidate isn't the one that winds up winning the primary.
We also learned Pennsylvania needs to be removed from the union.
You did say that, yeah. Multiple times.
Yeah,
You said that multiple times.
Yeah, I have
the Fetterman effect.
Generally, I fly
gotta go.
a 48-star flag.
Yeah.
California, New York.
Now it's 47.
It's 47. now.
Yeah.
It's 47. And Arizona, you could make it 46.
The Glenn Beck program.
If you spend any time at all on the internet, whether it's on your computer or phone or some other device, you're potentially putting information at risk and being hacked into by cyber criminals. People who will steal anything and everything you don't have nailed down. Basically, don't spend any time at all on the internet. Otherwise, there's no secret. You're going to get nailed. Everything you do is online, and it's important to understand how cybercrime and identity theft affect your life. 25% off now with a subscription to LifeLock is the top of the line in cybersecurity, with both preventative measures just to keep you safe and access to a restoration team if you do end up having your information hacked into. And they have that because even the best of the best can't stop everything because it's constantly changing. But you can take a step that really protects what's yours and keeps it yours. LifeLock by Norton. Call 1-800-LifeLock, 1-800-LifeLock, or head to lifelock.com. Make sure you use the promo code BECK, lifelock.com, or 1-800-LifeLock. lifelock.com, promo code BECK.
You can still save $30 on Blaze TV by going to blazetv.com/midterms. The promo code is midterms. But they don't.
Happy holidays, Bay Area. I'm Amy Eric, founder of Madison Reed, a hair color company I named after my daughter. I started Madison Reed to give you the most luxurious hair color made with ingredients you could feel good about. Are you tired of spending hundreds of dollars at the salon, having appointments take 3 hours, and not knowing the ingredients in your hair color? Then you should try Madison Reed. You may know Madison Reed for its at-home hair color, but big news, we now have 6 locations in the Bay Area where we color your hair for you. We call them hair color bars. Book a service and let us take care of you in half the time it takes at a typical salon and for a fraction of the price. For a limited time, enjoy our new client offer on root services, starting at $60. Visit madison-reed.com/San Francisco. That's madison-reed.com/San Francisco. Try it, love it. That's the beauty of Madison Reed.
Jamie's log, progressive, the Harrington's backyard, day 27, 3:33 a.m. 333. All those threes mean something. Or I may be losing it. Been camped in the Harrington's backyard for 27 days now, proving that Progressive has 24/7 protection. They told me every day they understand what 24/7 protection means. Think I'm finally getting through to them. 333.
Progressive doesn't just offer a great price when you bundle home and auto. We offer round-the-clock protection, just not literally from Jamie. Coverage from Progressive Casualty Insurance Company, affiliates and third-party insurers, and subject to policy terms. Bundle discount not available in all states or situations.
This is a Fox News alert. I'm Chris Foster. There are races yet to be called, but Republicans look very likely to win over control of the House. Senate control comes down to Arizona, Nevada, Wisconsin, and Georgia. Republicans need 3 of those to win the majority, with Democrats taking Pennsylvania. Dr. Oz called the concede.
John Fetterman pulled it off, defeating Republican opponent Mehmet Oz in the most expensive midterm race in the country.
I'm just so proud of the race that we ran. And, this campaign has always been about fighting for everyone who's ever been knocked down that ever got back up.
In Pittsburgh, Tanya J. Powers, Fox News.
Senate Democrat Catherine Cortez Masto trails Republican Adam Laxalt in Nevada at the moment.
I am confident in the campaign that we have built to win.
We have a lot of our votes coming in all across the state yet to be tabulated. We are going to win this race.
This is a Fox News alert.
Imagine an island escape to relax on white sand beaches, enjoy fun adventures like scuba diving, and be greeted by warm, welcoming people. That's what you'll find when you visit Fiji. And there's no easier or better way to get there than with Fiji Airways. Your tropical paradise getaway is just one non-stop flight away, with round-trip fares starting at $899 from LAX or SFO. Or check out great fares to Australia and New Zealand with seamless connections via Fiji. Book now at FijiAirways.com. Fiji, your easy island escape.
COVID-19 moves fast, and now you can too. If you feel symptoms, even if they're mild, you should test fast. Test positive and at high risk for severe COVID-19? Then act fast with authorized oral treatments that can be taken at home and must be taken within 5 days from when symptoms begin. COVID-19 moves fast, and now you can too by asking your healthcare provider if an oral treatment is right for you. Learn about a treatment option at treatcv19.com. This message is sponsored by Pfizer.
Are you single and ready to mingle? That's because when you're single, you're free. Free to go wherever you want, whenever you want, and do whatever you want. All you need are places to go, things to do, and single people like yourself to do them with. And Events and Adventures takes care of all of that. Events and Adventures is a singles club that offers up to 30 fun activities every single month. We celebrate being free, being alive, and not swiping your life away on a dating app. Get started today at eventsandadventures.com and live a life you love.
Airborne, do more. Airborne's 8-in-1 immune support formula is great for the whole family and has 8 vitamins, minerals, and herbs like A, C, E, and zinc. Available in delicious assorted fruit-flavored gummies that are convenient to grab and go, or fizzy, zesty, orange-flavored effervescent tablets that you can enjoy with a